Hey y'all, Casey here at the Hoofazin Ranch. Today we're turning this gorgeous Wagyu brisket into homemade corned beef. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. First up, forget chasing cows. Click the link to snag our all-natural grass-fed Wagyu brisket. We're kicking it up with a notch of ancho chilies, plus the classic spices. Gotta toast them to unlock those epic flavors. Now let's mix up our brine. A splash of Guinness beer, a bit of sweetness, and our toasted spice blend. Remember, one for the brisket and one for the chef. Brisket goes into the brine for a full 12-day flavor journey. Patience, my friends. After brining, we boil it with our spices, then into the oven with broth, potatoes, and cabbage. It's gonna be fork tender and oh so tasty. And there you have it, folks. Corned beef that's ranch approved and sure to knock your socks off. Y'all, this is the real deal. Don't just take my word for it, try it out. Happy cooking from the Hoofazin Ranch.